Hey guys, Ashley Pederson here with Promo Realty, and if you are looking for a well-maintained, meticulous home, this is the one for you. 303 Madelines Park. Nice ranch-style home, 3 bedrooms on the main level. The kitchen has been updated. The primary suite has been updated. Nice double vanity in the primary suite with a huge tile walk-in shower. Nice big walk-in closet, and then you also have a second bathroom on the main level and 2 other bedrooms on the main level. A covered porch, nice newer deck. They installed that not too long ago. Also, the basement has a 4th bedroom. Another great thing is you have beautiful hardwood floors. Right when you walk into this home, you're going to notice that right off the bat there. In the back, there's a nice flat area, nice backyard, just so many positive things about this home. I'm really excited for you to take a look at this one, so sit back and enjoy the tour.